Bước đến cánh cổng thứ 8, từ môn.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is it clear? Is my audio clear?
Huh?
Can you hear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. You just speak louder, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's raining. There is a heavy rain now, so I can't hear properly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, how are you today?
Today I'm good.
Mm-hmm. And what about the weather today?
The weather today cloudy.
It's cloudy. Okay. So yesterday we talked about family and what?
Family and
And
and,
different
and different activity.
activities. What are the activities? First, we have
Um. It picnic.
having a picnic.
Having a picnic.
Next,
Watching a film.
mhm,
Playing chess.
playing board games.
Board games.
Next,
Baking.
okay, baking. Okay, so today we will talk about a different topic. Let's try this speaking one. Okay, good evening. My name is Teacher Donna, and what's your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Long, and my name is Huỳnh Minh Hai Long, and you can call me Long.
Okay, I said good evening, right? That means it's also evening, right? Or if I say good afternoon, it's the same. It's good afternoon. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I have your paper?
Yes, here.
Thank you. And where are you from?
Mm, I'm from Vietnam, and I'm living in Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay. And do you work or are you a student?
I'm still a student, and I'm sixth grade, and I'm studying UK school.
Okay, so where do you live? No. Okay, so um let's talk about friends. Okay? How many good friends have you got?
Uh, I have many good friends.
Good friends? Okay, you can see I have many good friends. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, and if you have best friend, do you know best friend?
Yes, but I
Okay,
don't have. I have
okay,
like it's all good.
all good friends. Okay, it's okay. So where do you meet your friends?
Uh, I usually meet my friend in school, and sometimes like I go to a party or a holiday. I go to their house or go playing with them.
And where did you meet them? Where
Uh,
did you meet them?
I meet them in
I met them. Past,
I
finish.
I met them in sometime in their
No,
house.
long. When you say where did you meet your friends the first time, how did you meet them?
Uh, how I
How
meet them?
did you meet them?
I meet them by my dad and my mom will write me to there.
Mhm. Okay. So what do you and your friends like doing together?
My friend and me like
My
to
friends and I.
My friend and I
S with S or no
like
S?
my friends
Uh-huh.
and I
Usually,
usually
sometimes, often.
usually like to play games.
Usually like to play.
Usually like to play
Uh-huh. To play what?
playing games.
Not
Play
playing, to play.
to
Okay, when
play
we if
game.
mhm,
Play football.
mhm.
Something else.
Or eat together.
Or
Okay,
eat
or go
together.
out together. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay, now tell me about your best friend. Here, it says best friend. So you said you don't have.
I don't have my best friend.
Okay, you can say that. Okay? You can say, I don't have a best friend now, but I have my friends. And they are, what can you
Good.
say about your friends?
Okay.
And they are kind
They
and
are okay.
are
Funny.
and funny. Okay, so tell me about your best friend.
I don't have a best friend,
But
but I have many. I have good friends.
mhm, they are
They are okay and funny.
okay. When do you see your friends?
Uh, I usually see my friend in school.
Friend or friends?
Friends. I usually see my friends in school.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Tell me what you did your friends. What you did with your friends last weekend.
Yeah. Uh, Last weekend I uh playing games with
I
them.
played.
I play game with them
Mm-hmm.
last weekend.
Mm-hmm. Last weekend. Finish. Right? When it's finished, we say, okay, example, if it is finished, we say played. Right? Now, playing. Okay? And we have will play. We usually play. We played. Okay? So here we have another discussion. Do you like these activities with friends? This one is with friends, not family. Say why or why not. Okay? So let's look at the different activities. What is the first activity we have?
Playing basketball.
Uh-huh. Next.
Uh, Drinking coffee.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Reading books.
Okay, or reading books or studying together.
Studying together.
Next.
Um, Watching film or eating.
Okay, watching a film or cinema. Watching cinema. Okay, do you think playing sports with friends is fun?
Yes, playing sport with friends is fun because we can play with them.
Mm-hmm.
We can like talking.
We can talk.
We can talk.
Mm-hmm.
We
And
can uh um
we can talk. What do you do with your friends when you play sports? We can play together. We can talk. Do you eat together? Okay,
yeah.
you eat together, right? Or you can have fun together. Okay, do you think going to cafes with friends is expensive?
Mm, yeah.
You know expensive.
It's like uh many money.
Yeah, okay, it costs a lot of money. So do you think going to cafe with friends is expensive?
I think yes.
Yes, it is. We can say
Yeah, it is.
because.
Because when we go in cafe with friends, we
Mhm.
will need to like uh we need to like buying cafe too
You
many.
will need to buy.
You will need to buy many
You will need to
cafe
buy coffee and or you
coffee
will need to buy drinks and
and
snacks.
snack.
Okay? And if you have a lot of friends, you need to go to cafe a lot of times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's do you think studying with friends is helpful?
Yes. Study with friend will is helpful because we can
Mhm.
uh like we can asking the thing we
We
don't
can
know.
ask
We can ask the thing we don't know.
the things we don't know,
The
or you can
thing
just say we can ask questions.
we can ask question
Mhm. And
mm, and can ask
they
question.
can help you.
Then they can help me at uh
They can help you to study.
can help me to study.
But
We can study
how do you study with your friends? They can help
and
you to study easier.
easy.
Okay, or easily. Okay, so here we
Yeah.
have the helpful. What about this one? Do you think going to the cinema with friends is good?
Mm, going to the sim, right? Going to the cinema with my friend is good because if we don't know anything or we don't understand anything in the movie, we can ask my friend
Mm-hmm.
if they can explain to me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so here we have adjectives. Let's go back to the family. What are the adjectives here? Having a picnic is
It's enjoyable,
enjoyable. Watching TV is
good,
playing games is
yes, fun,
okay. Cooking is
difficult,
difficult or the opposite
difficult, uh, uh, easy,
or easy. Okay, we have enjoyable.
enjoyable,
What else? Good,
good,
fun,
fun, difficult,
difficult. Okay, when it comes to friends, okay, playing sports is
fun,
okay. Going to cafes,
in plastic,
expensive.
expensive,
What is the opposite? Cheap.
cheap.
Okay, cheap, expensive.
Cheap is not
Studying with friends.
study even helpful.
Okay, going to the cinema.
So going to the cinema is good.
Okay, so which of these activities do you like the best?
I like playing sport with friends.
Sports with S. Okay,
Sports.
I like playing
I like playing
sports
sport with
the
friends.
best. No, you have to say, I like playing sports the best.
I like playing sport the best
Because
because fun
because
and
when I play sports,
because when I play sport
With my friends.
with my friend and fun
It's fun
and happy.
and I feel
And I feel happy.
okay. So do you like having lots of friends or a few good friends?
I want to have.
I like
I like to have.
having.
I like to having.
No, not to having. Okay, when it has ing long, we do not say to, right?
I like to have a lot of friends.
Okay, look, when they ask you, the question is, do you like having lots of friends? Okay, you have to use this, okay? Yes, I like having,
Yes, I like having a lot of friends.
lots of friends
Lots of friends.
because
Because when I have a lot of friends, I can like have many friends to play. Mm, it will,
you can see I have different people
and I have different people
to
to play,
play
and
some
this
friends,
and some friends
what do? They help you
help me at homework,
with my homework.
with my homework.
What else? Some friends you can
Some friend
you can talk.
we can talk,
You can talk about what?
can talk um about games,
About life or
um,
stories, right?
story.
Okay. So what makes a good friend?
Uh, a good friend and
A good friend
a good friend is the friend that
is someone
is someone
who is
who is uh who is like
you give adjective about friend who is
kind,
caring,
caring,
helpful.
careful,
Okay, what else?
kind,
Kind,
uh, funny.
and funny. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, let's start from the start. Okay, good evening. My name is Teacher Donna, and what is your name?
Good evening. My name is Hunmin Hailong, and you can call me Long.
Okay, Long, nice to meet you. And can I have your paper, please?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Mm, I'm from Vietnam, and I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay. And do you work or are you a student?
I'm still a student, and I'm only a grade 6, and I'm studying UK school.
Okay, so let's talk about friends. How many friends have you got?
I got many friends, many good friends.
Many good friends. Like about how many? About 6?
About 30 or 40.
That's a lot. Okay. Where do you meet your friends? I usually, always, sometimes, often.
uh, I usually meet my friend in school,
At school.
at school, at school, Uh, at school.
At school? Okay. Only
Uh,
that? Okay, what do you and your friends like doing together?
my friend and I usually like to playing game,
Like to play?
play football together.
What else? Play game, play football.
Game, play football.
What else?
Study.
Study together. What else?
Uh, study.
Do you talk?
Talk.
Okay, so tell me about your best friend.
I don't have my boyfriend.
Best? I don't have. Again, tell me about your best friend.
I don't have my best friend.
I don't have a
I have a best friend.
best
Best
friend,
best friend.
but
But I have many good friends,
good
and they are
friends with S.
good friends, and they are kind and funny.
Okay. When do you see your friends? When? That means Monday, can be Tuesday. You can say, if you see your friends Monday to Friday, you can say weekdays. Okay? I usually see my friends on,
I usually see my friend on weekdays.
okay, weekdays. That means Monday to Friday. Okay?
Friday.
Weekends, the end of the week. Saturday on Sunday.
Sunday.
So example, when do you see your friends? I always see them on weekdays. But I also sometimes see them on
But I sometimes see my friend on uh weekend.
weekends. Okay? Now
Weekends.
tell me what you did with your friends last weekend.
Last weekend I uh playing games with
I played. This is already finished, right? We have to use the ed. I
and
played.
I played games with my friend last weekend.
Where?
In the house.
Okay. Only that? You have to be specific long. You have to talk more. Yeah, I played games with my friends. And then after we played,
And after we play, we very fun and we and playing football.
I played football. Okay, what is the adjective for this activity?
Uh,
Playing basketball
playing
is
basketball is fun.
fun. What is this activity?
It is
Drinking
coffee
together
together
is
is plenty.
X. Okay?
X.
Expensive. Okay, this.
Expensive.
Okay, we write the word is expensive, right? Expensive. Okay? Expensive. Okay? Next activity.
Study together
Studying together
is helpful.
helpful. Okay? Next activity.
Watching famous
Watching is
is
good.
good.
Okay, let's go back to the family. Let's take a look at the activities. Adjectives.
Having a picnic is fun.
Is it fun? Okay, enjoyable.
Enjoyable.
Okay, enjoyable. Next.
Watching a film is good.
Okay, good. What next?
Playing board game is fun.
Enjoyable, good, fun.
Fun
Okay, next.
and baking is
Baking
difficult.
is difficult or
Easy.
easy. What is the opposite of expensive?
Uh, cheap.
Okay, cheap. Okay. So here we have, okay, let's talk about, okay, could you describe the pictures first? First picture, could you describe it?
In the picture, I can see 4 people,
There are
and
4 people
they are
on the left.
on the left. They are the
There
girl.
is a
There is a girl. She is wearing a white shirt, a red shirt, and a short, and she have a long hair.
she
And
has.
she has a long hair. Next to her is
And what do
the
you think about the girl? She looks like she's about how old?
she about 12. Next to her is a tall boy. He wearing a black.
He is wearing
He is wearing a black shoe, a black shirt, and a gray short. He have
shorts. It's with
shorts,
S, okay? Shoots
and
with S, okay?
and he has short hair.
Uh-huh.
And next and on the left and the right, there are the other kid.
Uh-huh.
He are wearing a black shoe, uh, white shirt, long, a short, blue, short, and he have like yellow hair,
Yellow short hair.
yellow short hair,
And he is wearing
and he is wearing
eyeglasses.
eyeglasses. And in the middle of the photograph, there the kid
There
who are
is
there is the kid who are throwing
throwing the ball
throwing the ball,
or shooting the ball.
shooting the ball into the front, and he is wearing a black shoe, red
Black
shirt,
shoes.
black shoe, red shirt, black black green short, and he have a short hair.
He has.
He has a short hair.
Okay, vocabulary. They are all wearing
They
sports.
are wearing sport
Okay.
clothes.
Sportswear. We call this
Sportswear.
sportswear. Okay. It's like uniform. At school, we call it uniform, right? But when it comes to sports, we call it sports
Sport
wear.
wear.
Okay? They are all wearing sportswear and shoes.
Shoe.
Okay? So, where do you think they are?
And
Well, I think
I think they're in the bus, no, on the school playground.
And what do you call this? Basketball court.
Basketball court.
Okay. And behind them is a
And behind them is a The thing is
There's
the
a
one,
tree on the
the
left
tree,
side, and under the tree is
and the tree is a table and a chair.
okay, and a table. Okay. Okay, next picture. Could you try to describe it?
Uh, uh, in the picture, I can see 4 people,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm.
and there are 5 people.
Okay, no, no. Okay, let's move on to this one, to the third one. Could you describe the photograph?
Uh, in the picture, I can see 3 people,
Mm-hmm.
and they are study together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It looks like they are
it look like they are study together.
they're studying together. It looks like they are students, university students.
University student,
Uh-huh. And
and
on
the left there are the
there
woman.
is a is a man,
There's
is a young man.
a young man,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a young man. He are wearing
He
a
is
cla-
wearing
he is wearing a glasses
mhm.
and the gray
And
shirt
he is
and the black jean,
mm-hmm. Black jeans.
and he have a long hair.
He has
He has a long hair,
and he is looking at
and he is looking at the paper in the table.
okay on a paper on a book. Okay, on the middle next to the man
On the middle, next to the man, is the
is a
woman. Is a young woman.
mm-hmm.
She is wearing a white shirt, and
Mm-hmm.
she have the thing in her hair.
She has
She has
a short
a short
curly
curly
hair.
hair,
Okay, and
and next to her is,
she is also
and she is also
looking
looking at the paper in the table.
okay on the table or on
In
the
the table.
paper and
On the left, on
on
the
the right
right, there's a man,
is
a young man. He is wearing a a blue shirt
mm-hmm.
and a short hair, and he also uh looking at the paper in the table. Well,
Okay,
I think they are in the library,
in the library they're all sitting
and they are all sitting
on
on a table
on the
on the
sofa
sofa
in front of
in front of
the in front
the
of the table
table
with lots
with lot of books.
of books and behind them
Mm, behind them is
is a shelf
a shelf book.
okay with a lot of books. Okay, the last picture, could you try to describe?
In that picture, I can see 3 people, and they are watching a film, and they are on the left. There the woman.
Is
She
a woman
is uh she is holding the popcorn,
mm-hmm.
and she is wearing a white shirt,
Mm-hmm.
and she is looking down
Mm-hmm.
the popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
And next to him is the
Next to her
next to her is the
is a
man. He is wearing a white shirt and a blue jean,
and a blue jeans
and he have yellow
uh-huh.
short hair.
He has.
He has a yellow short hair, and he also holding the popcorn,
Uh-huh.
and he are looking on the screen of
Screen.
the screen,
Mm-hmm.
and next to him on the left and the right
Mm-hmm.
there is the
Is
art is a Ottoman.
another man.
He is wearing a yellow jacket,
Mm-hmm.
a blue jean,
Blue
and
jeans with S.
blue jeans.
Mm-hmm.
He is have a
He
short.
has.
He has a short hair,
Mm-hmm.
and uh and well, I think in the cinema,
Uh-huh. Okay. And they're watching
and they're watching
movie
movie
together.
together.
Okay. So again, long, what are the words with the S? Okay, always with S. Okay, when you do not have S with these words, it's wrong. We say shorts. Can you see?
Short, yes.
Okay, okay, we do not say short. When we say short, it's the size. It's short. Okay, this is short. This is tall. Okay, so when we are talking about the wearing or this one, we say shorts with S, always with S. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, what else? Pants. Okay, always
Mhm.
with S. Okay, pants or
Mhm. Jean.
jeans, always with S. Okay, blue jeans or jeans. Okay, always with S. What else? Scissors. Okay, scissors always with S. Okay, we do not say scissor. No, always with S. Scissors, shorts, pants, blue jeans. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What else? Okay. Let's have the last speaking one. We have the pets and animals. Let's do this quick. Okay. Good evening. My name is Teacher Donna. And what's your
Mhm.
name?
Good evening. My name is Long, and my name is Hunmit Hai Long, and you can call me Long.
Okay, Long. Can I have your paper, please?
Yes, here.
Thank you. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam, and I live in Ho Chi Minh City,
And I live.
and I live
Okay,
in Ho Chi Minh City.
okay. And do you work or are you a student?
I'm still a student. I'm sixth grade,
I am.
and I am grade 6,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm studying
I'm studying at.
as I'm studying at UK school.
Okay. And let's talk about pets and animals. Have you got a pet?
No, I don't have any pet because my mom don't like pet, so
Doesn't.
she don't like to like
She
having a.
doesn't.
She doesn't like to having a bed in the house.
Why? Because
She don't like pet.
she doesn't. Okay.
She.
Mhm. When we say we have don't and doesn't, right? So when do we use don't and doesn't? He, she,
Uh,
and
she
it we use doesn't.
doesn't.
Okay? She doesn't, he doesn't, it doesn't. Okay? Okay? I don't, we don't, they don't, okay? You don't. Okay? You don't like, I don't like, we don't like, they don't like. But she doesn't like, he doesn't like, it doesn't like. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is uh mm, cheetah.
Hmm?
I like a cheetah because it's like run fast
Because they are
and
fast
it's run fast and it's look very cool.
and they look cool.
And they look cool.
Okay, do you like going to the zoo?
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, because mm, because I also don't like animal too much.
Okay, because I don't like animals that much. Okay,
Mm,
not
mm,
too much. Because I don't like animals that much. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. But have you visited a zoo?
Huh?
Have you? Okay, again, what will you ask if you don't understand the question?
Can you repeat?
Can you
Uh,
repeat that?
I don't. Can you repeat that? I don't understand.
Okay. So, have you visited a zoo?
Yeah,
Yes.
and
When?
I have this huh?
Yes, I have visited a zoo
When I young,
when I was
when I was young,
was
and when I was
young.
young,
Hmm.
and I go with my family,
And I went
and I went
with my.
with my family.
Okay. So now tell me about a pet you had when you were young.
I doesn't have any bed when I young.
Okay, you can say I never
I never
had
had
a
a
pet.
bed.
I never had a pet.
I never had a pet.
Okay? But if you
Yeah.
can have a pet, which pet would you like to have? Or which
Uh,
animal?
I like to have uh, a dog
Okay, because
because it's easy to uh, it's easy to like fit in that and it's cute. Yeah,
it's
and
easy
I
to
like dog.
mm, it's easy to feed them and they are
I
cute.
like cute.
Okay. What animals do you see near your home?
Near home.
Yeah, an example when you go outside, okay, on your neighborhood or on the street, what animals do you see? Usually, I sometimes
I usually see uh, a dog.
where
It
on my neighborhood, on streets, where
in my neighborhood.
okay. I usually see dogs on my neighborhood.
My neighborhood.
Neighborhood, that means this is your house and then other house. House. Your neighborhood, okay? Near your home or house.
Mhm.
Okay, so tell me about an animal you would like to have as a pet. Again, I would
Uh,
like
I would like to have uh, I would like to have a dog
a dog as a pet
as a pet because uh
because
because
dogs are
the uh cute
cute
and
and
easy to feed.
okay, and they are easy to feed. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue with these activities. Okay, we will have the
Mhm.
topic for, or we will have discussion for this one. having pets.
Okay.
Okay. So again, what are the adjectives for family? What are the activities and adjectives for family?
Enjoyable.
Having a
Fun.
picnic.
Enjoyable.
Again, having a picnic
Having a picnic. Enjoyable.
is
Enjoyable.
okay.
Watching a film.
Is
Watching a film is fun.
fun.
Uh, Playing board game
Board
is
games.
helpful.
Is it helpful? Okay, you can
It's
say
fun.
good or fun.
It's
Okay.
fun.
Mhm.
And baking is difficult and easy.
Baking together is difficult or easy. Okay. What about adjectives for friends? What is this activity? Playing
Playing sport is
basketball.
basketball is fun.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Going coffee with friends is expensive.
Is what? Expensive
Cheap.
or cheap. Okay.
Study with
Studying
friend. Studying with friend is helpful.
is helpful and
And watching a film is good.
going to the cinema is
Good.
good. Okay, do you have a question, Long?
No.
Okay, so tomorrow we will continue with the other discussion with the pets and other topics. Okay, so if you don't have question, that's it for tonight. You can practice the homework I give you. I give you a pronunciation practice, right? With your homework. You can just read your homework. It's okay. You don't have to do anything. Just read it. Okay?
Okay.
Just practice. Okay? So that's it for tonight. And you did a great job, Long. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay? Have a good night.